Now let's learn our division facts for the 6 times table. 0 divided by 6 is 0. 6 divided by 6 is 1. 12 divided by 6 is 2, because if we have 12 counters, we can make 2 groups of 6. 18 divided by 6 is 3, because if we have 18 counters, we can make 3 groups of 6. 24 divided by 6 is 4. 30 divided by 6 is 5. 36 divided by 6 is 6. 42 divided by 6 is 7. 48 divided by 6 is 8. 54 divided by 6 is 9. 60 divided by 6 is 10. 66 divided by 6 is 11. And 72 divided by 6 is 12.